Hey, I'm back with another video of how to make miniguns, an RPG launcher, and a clone blaster. So, how you make the minigun? It's on many different videos. Just use a blaster, 2 studs, you put them on like this, then you put a piece on just like this, you put it on, get a piece like that, you put it on here, and you get a piece also like these two, and this. And what you do is first you put this on all the way, then you put this on but only till the tip. And with this piece, you just put it on and got yourself a chain gun. Well, my other way of making it is like this. So what you basically get is you start off with a bazooka. And first, you put this piece on the side, like that. I just cut myself. Then, you would get a Lego Agents gun. You put it right here, just like that. So it looks like this. Then, you get a piece like this and a piece like this and 4 black binoculars. Everything could be black, it doesn't have to be, and you just put the binoculars on like this. And there's your chain gun front. You stick this part onto there and you put this part together. There's your big Lego chain gun. I just stick this onto here just because it's something else to just put on there, another accessory. So, here's your Lego chain gun. Or minigun, whatever you want to call it, Gatling gun. Here's a Lego clone blaster. All you use is a rifle, the little droid arm, hand, whatever it is. Use a piece like this, it used to be white, but I just drawn it with black Sharpie, since paint wouldn't really be good for it. You put it on there. You can leave it like this, but I just decided to put a piece like this on, and just put it in there. And then it looks kind of more like a blaster. Kind of pretend to reload there. And finally, the RPG launcher. So what I do is I start out with just a plain bazooka. I take a clear stud and I put it here as a sight. Then you get a black cup and get a piece like this. You put it on the black cup, so it looks like this, like a bullet. And then you could just load it on, just comes off. Boom. So yeah, there's your RPG launcher. Rate, comment, tell me which one is the best, tell me what you think. Bye.